I got some deliveries, and this time it is from KAYE'MCHI Cebu. KAYE'MCHI Cebu aims to satisfy our Asian cravings. That's why they have their sushi balls, and they also have kimchi too. But what we are having right now are their top 3 bestseller sushi balls. Here we have the classic Maki sushi ball. Then the second one we have the Salmon sushi ball. And mo naglaway na kong gatanaw. And lastly we have the Chicken Teriyaki sushi ball. And kina-excite yun din kung gatanaw sa toppings nga gi-separate siya pag-pack. So ato sa yun din siyang itap ang toppings. And this is very good, at least crispy pa siya, hindi kaon mo. You can have this Chicken Teriyaki sushi ball as well as this Salmon sushi ball for 160 pesos each. And of course, it comes with a 1 pack of nori sheets. And kaning Maki nato nga sushi ball is at 150 pesos only. And then again, every ball comes with 8 pack of nori sheets. To order and for updates, you may just message the official social media accounts of KAYE'MCHI. Again, that would be KAYE'MCHI. And for that, mga nalekta guys, nahon ni nako ang Maki. And grabe ka lami. I really don't know what's with Maki. Kanagaling mo pop, inigpaak ni mo, lami yung kaayo. And I really like the proper mix of the rice and the toppings too. And now, let's try this salmon. Also, see? Lami kaya siya nga wala pa yung nori. So now, let's try to put it in the nori wraps. Okay, para matarong din siya na ito nga sushi balls. Mas perfect na good with the nori. And lastly, let's try the Chicken Teriyaki sushi balls. And kanagaling mo galawin pugutan ako sa chicken daan, uy. Even without the nori, lamin na good siya. And let's put more nori. From more dadagan man ako, eh. But then again, guys, always eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!